Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Do pardon my mess. So today we will be trying something new. Okay, so yesterday's painting I did, I was kind of going for a lightning type look. And I did a flip and drag. It looks cool. It doesn't look like lightning. This one probably won't either, but I kind of just want that effect. So let's see what happens. We're going to try some swiping today. I have here Liquitex Basics and Pthalo Blue. The blue I have noticed, even though it says it's opaque, does have a tendency to be somewhat transparent. So I'm going to cover up my edges here before I put down a base coat, just to give it some extra coverage. Okay, so we've got the edges covered. And you know, once this dries, I may have to come back around and do it again. So if you are going to do a custom mix of your base coat, you want to make sure you save some of that so you can touch up your edges later. So this is mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. This is a relatively thick mix, I mean at least compared to the straight pour. You want, when you drizzle your paint into the cup, for the paint to form a small mound and then disappear. That is the proper consistency. Actually, I'm going to do a bit more. I want good coverage. Let's experiment, shall we? I have here, this is Artist Loft Silver, and it just has a drop of the Pthalo Blue. I'm sorry, it wasn't Pthalo Blue, it was the Brilliant Blue by Artist Loft, to just kind of give it more of a bluish silver effect. And I've added 1 drop of the Hask Argan oil. I need to get those little tiny squeeze bottles. Okay, let's have some fun. Actually, There's only silicone in the silvery color. Okay, let's pop some of these bubbles. Well, it's definitely more lightning-like. So this could be a method worth exploring. I may have to try this a bit more and see what happens. All right, y'all. Gonna let this sit for a little bit and see what happens, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. Back in a few. Okay, so here it is. I think this will probably look pretty cool when it's dry with those metallics. I do love my metallics. And I think if I were to do this on a bigger piece, it would probably have a much more lightning-like effect. Kind of hard on this cramped little 10 by 10. Okay, here is this piece dry. The silver with that blue is so pretty. There are some spots where the blue is a little transparent, and I imagine I can come in and fix that if I choose. But it kind of looks like it's just being lit up by the lightning. All right, there it is. I just wanted to show this to you dry because I noticed it was drying very pretty last night. There it is. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below this video for links to my website where I now have paintings and music for sale, my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined, my Amazon link. If you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of at no extra cost to you. So that would be greatly appreciated. And go make some art. Join our group on Facebook. Post pictures of your masterpieces. Should you find yourself in a painting pickle, there will always be someone there who is ready, willing, and able to help you with your questions. Okay, y'all. That's it for me. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.